To begin, you will need to find a texture pack you like and wish to install. There are multiple websites online that offer a variety of texture packs. Some sites you can check out are CurseForge and MinecraftTexturePacks.com. We'll leave links to these sites in the description below. Some texture pack creators even have their own websites dedicated to their texture packs. When installing a texture pack, make sure you select the version that corresponds to the one you'll be using in-game, as some texture packs only work in specific versions. Once you've downloaded the texture pack of your choice, you can go ahead and launch the game. After launching the game, select Options, and then select Resource Packs. And now click on Open Pack folder. This will lead you to the Resource Packs folder where you can place any texture packs you wish to use. Next, just drag and drop the texture pack you want into this folder and go back into the game. After doing this, you will see the texture pack you added is now displayed on the left under Available Texture Packs. To use a texture pack, all you need to do is hover over it and click the right arrow that appears. This will move the texture pack to the right under Selected Texture Packs. Click on Done to apply the resource pack. Now you should be able to see the texture pack working in-game. To remove a texture pack, go back into Resource Packs in your game options and hover over the pack you wish to remove. Click on the left arrow that appears, then click on Done. And that should remove the texture pack. You can also use multiple texture packs at the same time, but keep in mind that some texture packs may not be compatible, so you'll need to make sure you're adding texture packs that work together.